There are plenty of ways for real estate agents to generate leads on Facebook, and today I want to focus on how you can organically stay top of mind with your real estate database in your Facebook newsfeed. Here's the problem that most real estate agents make when using social media. We get in the habit of jumping on social media, we're scrolling the feed, throwing out a couple likes and comments here and there, and we have no strategy to staying top of mind with our repeat clients and our referral opportunities. Well, the solution to the problem is to use Facebook like it's your real estate CRM, and we do this by creating Facebook friends lists. Why? Because these custom friends lists are like CRM tags that allow you to filter through your friends on your Facebook newsfeed. And once you've created these Facebook friends lists, you can quickly prospect and stay in front of them, and here's how you do it. In order to create a Facebook friends list, you'll need to be logged into your personal Facebook account on your computer. When you're logged in from your homepage, click on the menu button and then click on the Friends tab. Next, on the left-hand side, click on the Custom Lists. I've been using Facebook lists for a long time, so you'll see that I've got a bunch in here, but your screen will most likely be empty. Here's an example of one of my lists. I can add, I can remove friends to the list by editing the list and typing in their names, okay? If I want to create a new list, I can click Create List and get started with making a new list, and then start to add Facebook friends. If you're a real estate agent, some good ideas for custom lists might be your current clients, your past clients, your affiliates and vendors in your network, people in your farm area, and maybe your past or active referral sources. You figure out whatever works best for you. Once you have your list created, you will want to continue to add to them as you grow your network and add more friends on Facebook. Here's how you add a Facebook friend to a friends list after a friend request has been accepted. Go ahead and visit the Facebook profile of your new friend, and right next to the message icon and the icon that looks like a phone, you'll see the friends icon. Click on Friends and then click on Edit Friends List. This is where I can add this person to a list. I can add them to as many lists as I want. Once you have your Facebook custom friends list created, you can now keep tabs on everyone. Another important reason why you should have Facebook custom friends lists for your real estate business is so that you can quickly invite them to all of your Facebook events. Whether you're planning an open house, a neighborhood event, or a client appreciation party, you can quickly invite all of your custom friends list with a single click instead of having to go through and search for them one by one and invite them to your event. I hope this was valuable, and if you have any questions or suggestions on real estate marketing topics that you'd like to learn more about, send me a message. I'd love to hear more from you. And lastly, if you'd like to receive more marketing tips like this and learn about other useful tools and resources to help you grow your business, visit my website, milehightitleguy.com, and sign up for my video email newsletters.